In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive, how to sort folders and files. We'll start right from Gmail, since many of us keep it open all day. With Gmail open in your browser, look to the top right corner and click the Google Apps grid, the small square made of dots. From that menu, select Drive. This is a quick built-in way to jump straight into your files without typing in another address. Once you're in Google Drive, the fastest way to filter or sort what you see is the search bar at the top. Think of this as your control center for narrowing down folders and files. Click inside the search bar and you'll notice smart options appear just below it. These filters help you zero in on exactly what you need without digging through long lists. Start with Type. Click Type, then choose the kind of item you want, such as folder, document, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, or video. This instantly hides everything that doesn't match, so you're only looking at the category you care about. It's especially helpful if your drive is a mix of folders and different file formats. Next, refine by people. Click People to focus on items owned by you or shared with specific collaborators. This is perfect when you remember who worked on a file, but not the exact name. Just pick the person and drive filters to files connected to them. Use Modified to narrow by time. Click Modified and choose a range like today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, or a custom window. This makes it easy to find something you know was edited recently or to review documents from a particular period. Finally, set location to tell Drive where to look. Click Location and point it to My Drive, shared with me, starred, or even a specific folder. If your workspace is large, picking the right location saves a lot of scrolling and keeps your results on target. These filters can be combined for precise results. For example, you can select Type as Document, choose a collaborator under People, limit it by Modified in the last week, and set the location to a project folder. As you make selections, Drive updates the results so you can spot the right file or folder quickly. If you already know a keyword or part of a file name, type it into the search bar alongside these filters for an even faster find. Remember, filters don't change or move your files. They simply focus your view so you can work smarter. And that's the process. Open Gmail, use the grid to jump into Drive, then use the search bar controls, Type, People, Modified, and Location to narrow your view. Mastering these options keeps your Drive tidy and helps you get to the right content in seconds.